to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sakshi and this is my YouTube channel. By the title you could have already guessed what the video is gonna be about. But before that, I know I'm late, but a very happy new year to you and your family. I wish and I hope this year brings everyone lots of happiness and health and prosperity.
Quick update, I just colored my hair and the color is done by Brilliant Hair Salon. If anybody is interested, I'll just leave the link, Instagram handle in the description. And the wall that you see behind is painted by me and I'm glad and I'm very proud that I did a quick DIY.
Without any further blabbering, let's just get into the video. So today's video is obviously gonna be about street style store. A lot of girls on my Instagram have been constantly asking me about the brand, and I thought why not make a video about it and answer all your queries and see if it is helpful for you. So I've asked two of my girlfriends and they have given me the questions regarding the brand. By the way, they have never shopped from street style store, so I thought it would be amazing if they would tell me why they have not yet shopped. I am going to be 101% honest. I'm not going to be biased or I'm not going to be diplomatic here. I am just going to give my honest opinion about the brand and share my experience and yeah, we'll just see. So I have my questions right here. My laptop is here, so don't mind me just constantly looking there and not looking here is what I want to say. Okay, so the first question we have here is the pictures that they put on the website, do they actually match with the actual product? So yes, the pictures that they put on the website, I will also be there will also be a video here somewhere which will show you how the website will look, so it would be more helpful for you as I talk about the products and the website and the brand throughout this video, so you'll get a better view and better insight to what I am actually relating to. So to answer the question, yes, the pictures that they put actually look alike to the product that they sell. So I'll insert a picture of one outfit that I bought from Street Style Store here and the picture that they have put in on their website here. So now you can make up the difference and you can see if it is actually the same product or not, the quality and if it is worth the wait. So the quality I have always experienced. I have never been disappointed by the quality. I recently got one of my orders from Street Style Store and it was basically a two set, like a co-ord set, a hoodie or a jacket and a sweatpant. So the quality is definitely worth the wait and you don't have to compromise with the quality is what the website says. They don't compromise with the quality and they give you what you pay for is what I would say. The return or the exchange policy. Talking about the return or exchange policy, I am really not in the place to tell you about it or share my experience because I have never experienced anything, because I have never returned anything, maybe from Street Style Store or any other website. I have never returned or exchanged any product. So but I do know one of the incident where one of my friends ordered something for herself but from my ID, like my Street Style Store account, and she had a problem, so she wanted to exchange. Later when I talked to that friend regarding the exchange thing, she did tell me that the person who is assigned to take the exchange product came within 2 days after she requested for the exchange, and then she got her product within 15 days. So I guess that's how their exchange policy works. But I would still put up the video or the thing that they mention in their exchange policy, so you get a better insight to what their exchange policy looks like. Further on, she asked about the delivery time. So that's the only con here. That's the only complaint I have from Street Style Store is that delivery time, because they take a lot of time to deliver, and that's my only complaint. The delivery time is exactly a month or more than a month. Usually they do mention that the shipment might take time, like the delivery time that they tell us is between 3 to 21 days, but
When a website says something like this, we usually expect it to come within a week or so, but by that they actually mean that the shipment will actually take 21 days. So the shipment takes 21 days to get shipped, and then you receive it as per your address, like as per the delivery courier that they are shipping it from. So the delivery time is a month, and we can't do anything. But I guess that's the only con here, and that's the only complaint I have from the brand, and I want them to ship the products as soon as possible.
further on, the question that we have is only if you have got boots or footwear from it are they durable. So no, I have not bought any footwear related thing like boots or footwear that she's asking. I have not bought anything from Street Style store.
And again, one of my friends, she did buy footwear, and she herself came and she told me about the quality, and she was very happy because they were durable. A, they were durable. B, they were quite affordable, and C, they were trendy, and yeah. So I guess they are durable. I'm not yet sure.
The next question that we have is again regarding the quality and if that's an issue while buying things online. So I can relate the question because when I tell you that I have been scammed a lot, I have been scammed a lot of times, and
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
so she wanted to know about the quality. So the quality is amazing, and I'm not bragging about the quality, I'm not exaggerating about the quality or whatever, but only if I could make you experience the quality, but that's not possible. But I would, if you trust on me, please trust that it has amazing quality, like the products are of amazing quality and you won't regret buying it, is what I would say about the quality. And I would definitely say that Street Style store is not a brand where you face the expectations versus reality thing, because the number of times I've shopped from them, I've never experienced anything that like, oh my god, I expected this and it came like this. That's not an issue. The sizing of the clothes correct. The sizing totally depends upon which size you want to go for. So for example, if I am extra small from the top and small from the bottom, but I usually prefer extra small when it comes to crop tops or fitted tops, turtleneck tops and whatever. But if I'm going for a what I would say, a sweater or a sweatshirt or a hoodie, I would go for a size bigger. I would consider small or maybe medium sometimes, just for it to look more oversized and more comfy. But yeah, sizing all depends, but I would definitely say they do come with the correct sizing options. Is it worth the money? Yes, it is definitely worth the money. Is it COD or just online payment? They have quite a lot of options, like payment options. They have COD, then they have net banking. You can pay from debit card, credit card, UPI, whatever your preference is. But earlier what they used to do is, personally I used to always go for COD because order used to come a lot late. So I didn't want to worry about my money getting invested in something and coming late. So I would used to prefer COD, and I still prefer COD. And B, you don't have to tense about if your money is getting wasted or not. So yeah, so I used to personally prefer COD, but earlier what they used to do is they used to charge you if you go for a COD order. Like if you place your order and you want to do the payment on delivery, so they used to charge you extra because I guess they were insurancing it, I don't know. So you had to pay like 59 or 69 rupees extra if you are going for a COD. But now I've noticed that I just came across this story when I was scrolling through Instagram and it just popped up and it said that they are not charging anything on COD, so that's a plus point. And another thing, they are giving you free shipping. Next thing we have is have I faced any inconvenience regarding the website, any bad experience? So I had two bad experience, I would not lie. Not regarding the website but regarding the product that I got. One was I bought this satin top and I had planned, like I had imagined I would wear this on a specific occasion, and when that occasion came, the satin top had a bow in front of it. Okay, I'll just insert a picture of what the satin top looked like and what it came like, and after the incident how it looked like. So the incident was when the occasion came, I wore it, okay, and the bow suddenly came off, like the stitch suddenly came off and I had to take the other stitch off, and I wore it like that, like green satin top, but it still looked bomb. But that was one bad experience. The second bad experience was I got myself a size bigger which I shouldn't had, and the top ka, like what do you say, whatever, this part came off whenever, like it did not stick to my shoulder and it came off. So that was another bad experience. And the last question that we have for today is, would I suggest it to others? I would 101% suggest it to others. I keep on telling my friends, I keep on telling everyone to go for Street Style store, and just because I am very satisfied and I have never been disappointed apart from the two bad experience obviously. So I would definitely suggest it, and I would also link their website in my description, so you could go and check out some stuff for yourself. And yeah, I guess pretty much this is what I think the questions are regarding the Street Style store brand. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll